When will the new iPhone SE2 come out? According to analysts, next year we will not see major changes in the frequency of iPhone SE2. But the likelihood of such changes is quite high in 2021. I will express my doubts at the end of the article, but it is possible that just then the iPhone will be shown twice a year, in spring and autumn. At the autumn presentation, they will traditionally tear the cover from the flagships, and in the spring they will show the iPhone SE2 and two relatively affordable models. There is logic in this for two reasons at once. First of all, the main competitors of Apple are brands such as Samsung and Huawei, which still has difficulties, but, most likely, everything will be fine and the P-series smartphones will go further. Both of these brands in the spring release their top-end devices. As the survey that we conducted on AndroidInsider.ru showed, many Android users do not mind buying the iPhone SE2, but they are scared off by the price. If in the spring, along with the main competitors, iPhone SE2 goes out, for which they ask for about the same, he will be able to spoil the statistics of Koreans and Chinese. The second argument, although less significant, will be that the presentation of the two iPhone SE2 will make Apple's sales and revenue more even throughout the year. Prior to this, the company collected all the cream at the end of the year. The emergence of a large number of own services and more uniform sales of iPhone SE2 will only benefit the company. Do not forget about those people who, after the release of the relatively inexpensive new iPhone SE2, will mentally prepare for its acquisition, and when the decision is made, a super flagman will appear a couple of hundred more expensive. Thus, you can warm up the market and prepare people to buy something more expensive. Perhaps in the new iPhone SE2 the shape of the bangs will change, but it is more likely that it will be so until it is completely removed.